That's pretty cool. Happy birthday.
Okay, my friend, we have to do your blood test of the amount in your body. Okay. And you will see by now your results, okay?
Oh, man. A health wellness event was held here today outside Weehawken's American Legion Post 10, organized by the North Hudson Partnership and sponsored by the Hackensack Meridian Health Palisade Medical Center. Different organizations within North Hudson County that provide a range of services such as mental health, legal, and even early screening for dementia participated here today. How important is an event like this for residents? I mean, otherwise, I guess without events like this, they have a harder time finding out what's available to them?
That's right. I think there's a very important role for outreach and an opportunity for neighbors to come together as neighbors. That's how you get information out. That's also how you build bonds of affection. That's how you get bonds of loyalty so that we take care of each other. Because in the end, we are our own best resource. That's why with this event, you have everybody from the North Bergen Health Department to Guttenberg Community Affairs Department to us right here at Weehawken American Legion Post 18 and our resources in this township coming together with all these nonprofit providers, because we need to be able to host these kinds of events and bring everybody together, bring people out so they know they never have to suffer alone.
So what kind of services do you provide to the community, Jeffrey?
Definitely. So with our Rocio Day LLC, we are a mental health practice. We have private therapists that deal with private insurance. With OTW, our team works, we do support groups. So most of our community, what happens, 70% of our community cannot have private insurance. They have Medicaid. Right? So much of our community cannot access mental health services because of that. OTW tries to fix that problem by bringing groups together where they could use our facility, pay a small fee, $20, $30 to see a clinician. In a group, we deal with anxiety, depression, we deal with trauma, we deal with youth, we deal with adolescents and parenting.
It sounds like a very critical service that you're providing to the community. I mean, is it... how prevalent is, say, for example, depression in the community? I mean, do you see, are a lot of people, a lot of residents, community members accessing your services?
Yes, so definitely I think our services are being looked for by a lot of our population. A lot of our population, especially in Hudson County, we're dealing with a lot of poverty, we're dealing with a lot of domestic violence, we're dealing with a lot of job issues, a lot of economic issues. That brings up anxiety, that brings up depression. We have a lot of immigrant population in our community of Hudson County. There's also a lot of trauma attached to that. So with the North Hudson Partnership, which is another sub-organization for all of North Hudson, Guttenberg, Weehawken, North Bergen, Union City, West New York, we're all come together with all the organizations in the North Hudson, and we've created a partnership where all of us here are trying to give access to our community, from mental health to every other resource possible.
Mark Busenich reporting in Weehawken for Hudson County View, the eye of the community.